Failing sewer lines should be addressed proactively during new home construction or renovation to avoid major repair costs and health risks. When upgrading sewer lines, choose durable materials such as polyvinyl chloride or high-density polyethylene and size pipes based on peak fixture unit demand and slope to maintain self-cleaning velocity. Polyvinyl chloride is rigid, cost-effective, and widely used, while high-density polyethylene provides superior flexibility and resistance to root intrusion and corrosion, so select based on soil conditions and expected ground movement. For minimal yard disruption, consider trenchless cured-in-place pipe lining, which inserts a resin-saturated liner and cures it in place to form a seamless new pipe inside the old one, and is best when the existing host pipe is structurally sound but leaking. Prepare for this by cleaning the line and performing a pre-rehabilitation video inspection to document defects and determine liner diameter. Install cleanouts at grade breaks and at intervals not exceeding 100 feet to allow rotting in future inspections. And regrade the immediate area around sewer runs to prevent surface water pooling that accelerates joint failure. For properties with combined systems, add a backflow preventer at the junction to protect the building from downstream surges, and consider a sump with an alarm where low points occur to prevent sewage backups during heavy rain events. Use video inspection on a scheduled basis, at least every 3 years for mature lines or immediately after tree planting, and maintain a log of inspections and repairs so future owners or contractors know the history. When coordinating with contractors, request written scope of work that specifies material type, pipe slope, jointing method, and warranty terms, and verify their plan for traffic control and restoration of landscaping to avoid surprises. Common mistakes include selecting undersized pipe, which leads to frequent blockages and premature wear. Avoid this by calculating fixture unit loads and choosing the next standard pipe size when in doubt. Another frequent issue is neglecting access points, which makes maintenance costly and urgent. Add cleanouts at logical access locations and at grade changes, and mark them on as built drawings so they are easy to find. A third problem is assuming trenchless solves all problems when severely collapsed or offset pipes require full replacement. Perform a pre-project video inspection and structural assessment, and be prepared to switch to full replacement with polyvinyl chloride or high-density polyethylene when the host pipe cannot reliably carry the load. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like sewer line upgrades and helps us share local contractor listings so homeowners can find professionals for materials and installations. Our site also helps contractors find work, and we host an active discussion community where members share field experience, vendor recommendations, and inspection tips.